Shop closed, and don't nobody better call me asking for no last-minute braid appointment. Bitch, hurry up, I'm starving. I'm on the way. Maybe love ain't late. Maybe it just missed the exit. Nah, that line kinda hard. Girl, let me call you back before Keith leaves me. You ain't even get out to open my door? Girl, get in. So what's first? Brunch. Thank God. I'm hungry as hell. Took y'all long enough. You ain't paid for this gas. Really? Long as everywhere got food. All right. Vacation. I'm saying Jamaica. Bahamas. Hawaii. Jamaica got better food. Bahamas got prettier water. Hawaii got volcanoes, beaches, mountains, and I ain't never been. You trying to hike on vacation? Raise your hand for Hawaii. Fine. Dominican Republic got nice resorts too. So now we got 4 damn choices. 5 days. 1 place. Everybody got their passport? We outside, baby. I swear, if I spend one more damn dollar, I'm spending another one. You say that every time. And every time, she mean it. So, we really doing Hawaii? We better. I already started looking at swimsuits. I already booked PTE. You don't waste no damn time. I want long vacation nails. You say that until you can't button your jeans. I ain't had a day like this in months. Me neither. Do y'all ever feel like God be slowing us down because he know we ain't ready? All the time. I pray. Sometimes I still be wanting to cuss people out. No, that's right. I like my relationship with God private. I've been meaning to go back. This is exactly why Mondays belong to us. I go to church every Sunday. I just don't tell people.
You sure all 3 of y'all want the same one?
We stuck with each other anyway. Might as well make it official. This one gonna mean something when we old. It already do. Ain't getting rid of me now. Damn. Every time I come over here, I wanna move in. You ain't paying no bills over here. And she definitely ain't cooking. Tonight, y'all eating good. As long as it ain't no salad. You really cook like somebody grandma. Big Mama made sure I knew how. Thank God for Big Mama. So, you ever think about leaving Chicago? I want to travel, but Chicago made me. I feel that.
Hey, triplet.
Hey, girl, just checking on you.
We good. You finally taking a break?
For one day.
When you coming to visit?
After Hawaii.
So y'all finally picked somewhere?
Yep, Hawaii won. And you should come, and you better bring our sister Santana. Love you.
Baby, I was just thinking about you.
I know, Mama. I'm sorry. I've been busy.
You can't work yourself to death.
No. I just want everything to work.
Will, I didn't bring you this far just to leave you.
I love you, Mama. If heaven don't got lamb chops, I don't know if I want to go. So, mystery balcony man, He seemed peaceful. Aw, you like him. I don't even know that man. We sleeping over. I figured. Ain't nobody driving tonight.
You ignore both of them, they'll be all right. You think about balcony girl? Yeah. You ain't even asked that girl for her number? I don't know why, but I need to find her. You don't even know her name. I'm gonna.
Sometimes fate doesn't ask for permission. It simply keeps putting two souls on the same path until they finally stop walking past each other.
Why did that feel so real? If it's meant for me, it'll find me.
You wake up singing every damn day. It's cheaper than therapy. So, when we booking Hawaii? This weekend, as long as I get the window seat. You sleep the whole flight anyway. Good morning, ladies. Come on in. I seen your little birthday pictures. My friends did too much. You deserved it.
Mr. Carter? Earth to Kyle. You ain't heard a damn thing they said. I heard enough. Nah, you thinking about her?
We've been asked to sponsor a local beauty and music showcase.
Erica Messi. So now she got a name. I think I just found her.
Delivery for Kames?
I didn't order flowers. Girl, who buying you flowers? I honestly don't know. Maybe somebody from that balcony. Who the hell sends anonymous flowers? I honestly don't know. No name, no number, just a new fan. At least they're pretty. Sunflowers. That's kind of funny. What? They accidentally picked your favorite flower. What are the odds?
Look who finally called. I was starting to think Hawaii got canceled.
Girl, y'all ain't letting me cancel nothing. So let's count. Me, Nia, Simona, you, and you.
5 girls. This trip about to be crazy.
Oh, it's definitely gonna be crazy.
I already started buying swimsuits.
I bought 6. We only staying 5 days. I might change 3 times a day.
Let you in my world too deep. Now you got me losing sleep. You say you love me, then you switch it up.
You still looking at that flyer?
Steady messing with my trust.
Tell me something. You ever meet somebody and feel like you're supposed to meet them again? Damn, you caught. I ain't caught. Keep telling yourself that.
Y'all done talking about love? We got a meeting Thursday. Possible acquisition, Honolulu.
Hawaii. Well, that's convenient.
You always singing. I don't even realize I'm doing it. That's because it's in you. You got another email. What now? Well, I guess we're performing.
Morning, Mr. Carter.
Morning.
Our sponsorship at the Chicago Beauty and Music Showcase has been approved.
I gave you loyalty you didn't deserve. Now I'm fighting every nerve. Friends they leave you out of and just stare. Even though
You volunteering to attend? Somebody got to represent the company. Yeah, I'm sure that's the only reason.
So, you still ain't looked for mystery guy? I don't chase people. As you shouldn't. Hope your day's going smooth. Oh, ooh. You smiling. It's just a text. It always starts with a text. What? This fool talking about my fries. So answer him.
storms behind your eyes, but never let them show your face. You always play the hero, saving everybody else, while slowly breaking every piece of yourself. I wanted to love the parts you try to hide, but
I wonder if I'll ever see him again.
Those flowers still beautiful. They are. I still don't know who sent them. Please don't let me be the first one here. Girl, we really going to Hawaii? I still can't believe this. If one of us lose a passport, we leaving your ass. 5 days, no work, no appointments, no drama, hopefully.
2 and 7 to Honolulu begins boarding in 20 minutes.
Hope work ain't stressing you out today. Off this week. Talk later. Look at you over there cracking up. Black swear he know me too damn well. He ain't wrong.
Now boarding flight 217 to Honolulu.
Good morning, welcome aboard. Thank you. I've been ready for this all damn week. I'm sitting in the middle because if turbulence starts, I'm grabbing both of y'all. You dramatic. She ain't lying though. There we go. We're really leaving. 5 days. Just us. We needed this.
Hawaii trip, we finding you a husband or what?
Don't, girl. I came for the beach, not a boyfriend. By the end of this trip, both of y'all gonna have somebody smiling too hard at you. Can we at least make it to the hotel first? So, this Hawaii trip, we finding you a husband or what? Girl, I came for the beach, not a boyfriend. Don't worry. By the end of this trip, both of y'all gonna have somebody smiling too hard at you. Can we at least make it to the hotel first? Oh my God. It's beautiful. I already don't want to leave. We just got here.
Okay, this Khmer and you and Hawaii thing. This weather already better than Chicago. And look at that water. I needed this.
Welcome to Hawaii, ladies.
Thank you. I feel rich already. Ain't no way. This place is gorgeous. We really did this.
5 days in Honolulu, I ain't mad at that. We handle business first, then I'm finding the beach and disappearing. You've been talking about Hawaiian food all damn week. I heard the seafood crazy. Let's get this meeting done first, then we'll enjoy the island.
Lord, thank you for letting us make it.
If breakfast looking like this every morning, I ain't going back home. You got your so, Nia, you still got bills in Chicago. We need one picture together. Nah, we need 100. Y'all ain't changing.
This heat hit different. I ain't mad at it. We'll finish business first. So after these meetings, what we doing? I'm finding food first. And after that, I'm finding the beach.
Business dinner tomorrow evening. So today we free until 6.
Say less.
I swear, I could stay here forever. Me too. Chicago gonna be sick when we leave with a tan.
You listening? Kyra. It's her. There go that man.
Uh-oh.
Ain't that the Baki man?
I was beginning to think I'd never see you again.
I wasn't expecting to run into you all the way in Hawaii.
I wasn't expecting to find you here either.
So, what are the odds?
I don't know, but I don't think this happened by accident.
So, y'all really followed us to Hawaii?
I promise we didn't. We just got here this morning. So, you finally made it.
Barely.
You still calling me Quadrit?
Nah, I like Qua better.
Qua.
It fits.
I ain't mad at it. You hungry?
I'm always hungry.
Good. I know a seafood spot.
It's a date?
If you want it to be.
So, you still think you funny?
I know I am.
You lucky you cute.
Here she go. You actually ain't started no trouble yet.
Boy, don't start.
I miss talking shit with you.
I noticed. To Hawaii and to finding us some fine Hawaiian men. Y'all already starting? Yeah.
So, how's the salon?
Busy, but I love it. And I'm still working on my music.
I remember. I looked up your showcase.
You did?
I wanted to know more about you. Yeah?
Leah, where are you?
Out of town. I'll call you when I get back. So, you really like Hawaii?